What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be unboxing some mouse pads from kuiperco.com. They have sent over 3 space-themed mouse pads. The first that we're taking a look at is the Aurora 2XL, and the other 2 that have a similar theme but not exactly the same are the Mission Earth and the Moonrise. The Moonrise is the pad without that HUD overlay design, and the Mission Earth is the exact same as the Moonrise but with that HUD overlay design, so it's a little bit different. But my favorite out of the 3 is the Aurora 2XL mouse pad. All 3 of them are 900 by 400 millimeters, so they're all pretty big and a great size for your desk. I do wish it was a little bit taller. I think that would be kind of cool, but they're all a really good size. And you can also get the matching wallpapers from kuiperco.com as well to match your wallpaper of your mouse pad with your display. You can buy these mouse pads direct from Kuiper, or you can buy them on Amazon. I will leave links to both in the description below. I have a full review of these pads coming really soon, so be sure to subscribe to stay tuned.